With this AI, you can create any game and play it in the browser. Isn't that amazing? We can create 10 games per week and the message 100 times per week for free. Okay, let's just test the games first. As you can see, we can explore the games made by the community. Also, we can sort them by genres like dungeon crawler RPG, trivia game, adventure RPG, 3D open world. So let's just try just the most popular game. I'm so bad. As you can see, the game is fully playable. It has a pixel style, but let's test something different. Yo, the game is lagging. What is going on? Help me! So yeah, let's try something different. Let's see 3D open world game. Well, as you can see, it's like 3D, actual 3D game. It's lagging like hell. Well, these zombies don't have any ragdoll for now, but considering that this game is made just using AI without knowing any coding, like, it's kinda impressive. For some reason it looks like these old games made on Source engine. The thing I don't like, it's lagging in browser because it probably can't stream the game properly. Like, I don't understand, I like deal damage to them or not. There is no indicator. And the enemies don't have any ragdolls, like, what's going on? Well, at least we can jump. Well, I can't look down for some reason. Oh, it's nighttime. Now you can't see anything. Well, not gonna lie, this game is kinda trash. Let's try adventure RPG. It will be better, because from what I see now, like, yeah, you don't need any code, but the result is also not very nice. It looks like Terraria. Pizza. Okay, we can collect some items. And what's the main objective for this game? Interact. Okay, it's like teleport to other location. The hitbox of these trees, I can go through them. For now, I don't understand the concept of this game. Like, we can go collect food. It's probably, yeah, when we eat, it's like healing us. Wait, I'm taking damage because I'm losing hearts just because I'm playing the game. What? Well, I don't know, what am I doing? Like, I never played games like that. I'll probably move to the next game. Let's try first person shooter. No, the game likes. Wait, I can just spam? Oh no. Well, at least this game is fun. The problem is here, like, you don't have an indicator you're taking damage. I died by it. I can just shoot them out of the death. And what's the point of dying if I can just shoot them after that? Can play the game with overlay open and they can't do anything to me because I basically have infinite HP. Well, and it's not like a first person shooter that I would imagine. Okay, anyway, the game is boring. Character life simulator. AI can do pretty good games, pretty simple games. Difficult games, it kinda struggles. Well, definitely I'm not reading what is written here. Just can we please have some gameplay? What is this game even? Just chatbot to chat? I'm not playing this game. Oh, is it game from mobile phones? 3D racing. Let's try it. Wait, it changes the model. That's actually interesting. Okay, let's take this and... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cars actually have collision. Like, what is that sound? Yeah, it's collision sound. Cars have the same speed. No, no, no! No! What are you doing? Why are you blocking me? Yeah, we can change the view. Like, you stupid driver, can you just not bump me, please? Considering everything in this game is made by AI, it's not that bad. If I will be able to fall from this map... Yes. So, after we saw what games it can make, let's create something like Minecraft. And just let's do it like that, create Minecraft style survival game. Let's start generating. Okay, let's start with visuals, I guess. Okay, we can like upload. What if I will just skip it? Well, I don't have any ideas actually. So, as you can see, it will take around 10 minutes. So AI agents will just talk to each other and came up with a game. Narrative story writer give us a character. So you see how it works, kinda cool. Whoa, just look what visuals we have. It's cool, right? It looks like Minecraft, but the blocks are actually smaller. So the objects can be more realistic. From this screenshot it looks amazing. Yeah, it looks interesting. If the game will look like that, would be pretty impressive. The fact that I'm not doing anything, it just generated it by itself. It's kinda interesting. Okay, your game is ready to play. As you can see, we can just play now, or also we can customize. So let's just play it and see. And then if something goes wrong, we will customize it. For some reason it says version 0.16.03. Well, I don't know why, but let's begin the game. Wait, it's the same shit. No. No, like... What is this shit? No. I'm disappointed. I think we need to rewrite. 10 likes? From who? Like I just uploaded it. Well, it looks fake. So we can change the assets how we want, but I guess we will need to recreate. We need just to type 3D open world Minecraft. Probably this will work. The same car assets here, we can jump. Hello? Like we can kill people. We can sprint on shift. I don't know, like I said that I want a Minecraft style game. And how we supposed to interact with the car? I press E and now I can drive a car. Hello? How are you doing, my fellow citizens? I can literally jump in the car. That's funny. Yeah, the car is self-driving. Bye-bye, cars! Wait, I'm actually, when I shoot, I like throw balls. But still, like, the game doesn't look like Minecraft, but The fact that in this game we have like fully functional driving cars, some sort of combat, and the building place like that, still kinda impressive, yeah. The map is small, that's not good, you can see like this. Stupid skybox, yes, it's called skybox. Somehow I need to find some fucking NPCs. But I killed them. I killed. Well, for now, like what I can say. For now, this AI generated like tend to generate actually good games. But maybe, in the future the situation will be completely different. Like we don't know. Probably, yeah, they will improve. So yeah, maybe in the future it will be able to create an actually good games. To have full access and change things how you want, you actually need to download Studio, but you need to request access. It's not available for everyone. If you want to create something, you can just go on this website and create your game, but probably it will look something that I did, because like for now it's not a lot of options to what you can create. Yeah, of course the visuals can be different, but the core mechanics will be the same. In the future it will be probably improved a lot. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, subscribe to the channel to learn new things about AI.